welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to see how to make business cards in Canva. Making business cards is very easy. We will just have to go to templates, then search for business cards. Now in this category, you will be able to create a blank business cards of your own. You will be able to design with your own elements and shapes, but if you use any kind of template from Canva, it will be very easy for you to make one in a very quick time. So we will just go for a very minimalist and a neutral business card. Black and white sample. We'll just go for customize this template. Now this is the back side of your business card where you will put your headline, your QR code, you can add your subtitle as well, you can add your pitch title as well, and then just go for page number 2 where you will put all of your contact details here, your email, your address, your office address, and your phone number as well. You can also add colors from elements, and if you go for text you will be able to customize your text boxes according to your fonts. Now again go for designs, again tap for business cards, go to create a blank business card. Your business card should not include more than 3 colors, otherwise the business cards will look messy.